Hey, I wanted to take a minute just to introduce myself and to welcome you to the class. So I'm Mr. Edmondson. I'm our instructor for this class. Been here at Gadsden State for 12 years now, and I teach a little bit of all the biologies. 103 and 104 are the intros. 201, that's the main anatomy and physiology course that I teach, and I've gone back and forth, but I think this is my favorite class out of everything I teach. So here's why. Number one, human body is just fascinating. It's incredible when you start thinking about all the different organ systems and parts that are working together to keep you alive. It's just really neat, and I like being able to dig into that. Number two, I've found that 201 students are typically a lot more invested than other classes that I teach. So here's why. A lot of my students who take 103, they're a business major or something totally unrelated to biology, and it's just a class they have to take because it's a core class to get their degree. In 201, though, most if not all of you are going into some type of a health science related field. So you're invested in this. This is material that you need to know for your career. So I really like that. I like being able to teach information to students that want to learn. And like I said, it's fascinating. So I'm looking forward to this class. We are going to meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and our schedule is a little bit flipped. Usually when you take a science class, you lecture the first class, and then you have lab the second class of the week. We're backwards. Our lab days are going to be on Tuesday. So the first time that we meet is going to be Tuesday, August 23rd, and we're going to go ahead and meet in our lab room. So that is room 117. If you've never been to the science building before, it's the big building. You can see it from the intersection on Wallace Drive. So when you come into the building, there will be a little lobby. Turn to the left, walk all the way down the hall, and room 117 is towards the end of the hall. There's a sign next to the door. I'll have the door open. I'll have a note on the screen to make sure that you're in the right room. And we'll get started. We'll have a lot more to go over then, but like I said, I'm looking forward to the class. Just wanted to say, hey, if you have any questions before we meet, or if you need any help with anything, just feel free to reach out and let me know. Thanks.